This is a quick guide to how the system finds the right manual for the right machine. We'll walk through what gets typed in, what gets stored, and how it all fits together. Here's what happens when different people type things in different ways. One person writes Gen Z, another writes Gen Z, no space. A third writes Generation-Z. To us, those are the same machine. But to the computer, those are three different names, three different libraries, and the wrong manual ends up next to the right machine. To prevent that, the system uses a master list. Three of them, actually. The first list is your machine models. The second list is the categories that vary between machines, things like the drive, the screen, the controller. The third list is the legal options inside each category. Once those lists exist, everyone picks from them. Nobody types from scratch. When you add a new machine, you don't type the name of the model. You pick it from the drop-down. The machine record stores a fixed internal code that points back to the catalog entry. The label you see on screen is looked up live. So if you ever rename the model later, every machine page picks up the new name automatically. Documents work the same way, but in reverse. When you upload a manual, you can attach conditions to it. For example, this manual only applies to machines that have a Yaskawa drive. You can stack conditions, drive equals Yaskawa, and the screen is version 4. Every condition has to match. Empty list means apply to every machine of this model. One condition narrows it down. Two conditions narrow it further. Behind the scenes, when you upload a document, it gets indexed. The system breaks each page into searchable pieces and tags every piece with which model it belongs to and which conditions it requires. Those tags are how the system later knows which document to show which customer. When a Yaskawa customer asks a question, the system looks at their machine. It has a Yaskawa drive. The Yaskawa drive manual requires a Yaskawa drive. Match. The manual gets pulled in, the AI reads it, and the answer cites where it came from. Now the same manual, but a Parker customer asks a question. Their machine has a Parker drive. The manual requires Yaskawa. No match. The manual is hidden from this customer. The AI never sees it. Two customers, same model, completely separate manuals. Yaskawa renames their product. Type the new name in your master list. Hit save. Within a minute, every machine page, every document tag, every chat reference shows the new name. Nothing has to be reprocessed. The internal codes never moved. Names change, IDs don't. Three things to remember. Pick from the lists, don't type. Conditions on a document narrow who sees it. And they all have to match. And finally, names can change without breaking anything, because the system stores codes underneath the labels. That's it. Adding new content just got a lot more reliable.